Hey boys and girls, how's it going? So this is for CC16, make predictions with scatter plots. First thing you need to know, the first thing you need to do with this is you need to understand that we need to make what's called a best line of fit with this. All right, so before we do anything, you have to imagine in your head the best line of fit. Now I can't really do a straight line here, but there's my best line of fit. I kind of just make that line that goes through, and then it says based on the scatter plot below, which is a better prediction for y when x equals 24. All right, so now here's the deal. Now that I have that line drawn, okay, you might have to do the imaginary line in your head. Now I know that when x is 24, I know that x is here. Okay, so meaning any numbers on this line, that stands for x. Any number on this line stands for y. So x is 24. Well, here's 20. Here's 40. Halfway between is 30. So 24 must be about right here. Now, as I go up, I'm going to change my color here so you can clearly see this. I want to know, where does this dot fall in the best line of fit? Well, it falls like right here. So now, is that 26 or 69? Well, honestly, it's neither, but what is it closer to? What's the better prediction? Because remember, we're doing predictions. So I think it's closer to 26 because here's 20 and here's 25, and I have it about, oh, I'm sorry, here's 20 and here's 30, and I have it about like 32. So I definitely say it's 26 is my closer one because it's closer to that best line of fit. Okay, so I'll do another one with you. And now what you want to do here is you want to make your best line of fit, and as you can tell, the trend is going in a negative downward motion, and let me change the color here. All right, so let's do a green line. So there's my best line of fit right there. Now it says, based on the scatter plot below, which is a better prediction for when x equals 6. Okay, so here's 2, here's 4, now here's 6. So when x equals 6, is it going to be a 1 or a 9? Well, look at the line here, and it kind of lines up down here. So remember, it's a prediction. So you want the number that's closer to the line. Is 1 closer line or is 9? Now 9 would be all the way up here, but the line would be all the way to the left. Down here, it'd only be a little bit to the left. So it's going to be 1. Okay? So again, now this one I'm going to do it without making my best line of fit because you may not be able to draw on your computer screen like I have that ability. So this instead, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my common sense. Now this says, based on the scatter plot below, which is a better prediction for x when y equals 7. So now you got to pay close attention. It says y equals 7. So here's my y line, and this would be 7 right here because here's 6 and 8, and in between there's 7. Now, would x be 2? So would I line up here? Now look, I'm going to make two different dots. So would I line up here for my x when x is 2? See how that's like that, 2? Or when x is 9? So now what makes more sense is that which one's closer to the best line of fit? The 2 or the 9? And remember, this is a 2 because it lines up with 2, and this is a 9 because it lines up with 9. I'm going to say the 2. Okay? Now I'm going to jump a level for you. And actually, you can't even jump a level. So I'll do one more and then I'll sign off. So now this one says, based on the scatter plot below, which is a better prediction for x when y equals 61. All right, so again, we're gonna ask ourselves, is it the x or the y? This is the y. So I know it's going to be up and down, and I'm looking for 61, which is probably going to be about right here. So now, here's 61. They want to know, would x be 52? So would I go down to here to 52 and align this up? Would it be about here? Would that be a good fit? Or would it be when x is 11, which would be about here, and when I line that up? So who's closer to the action? Is it the 52, which lines up there, or the 11? It's the 52. So your answer would be 52. And that's how you make predictions using scatter plots. Okay? All right, guys, best of luck to you.